Salam, this is Unity. So y'all, I got this Podge Crackle. It's a one-step crackle. So I've been messing with it. This is like a little sample. So I painted this red, a few crackles right up in here. And I didn't brush it, I dabbed it because I seen other plant creators saying it worked better when you dab it. But what I noticed, something just told me to put like a piece of paper under here. And if y'all can see, it crackles more with a piece of paper to me. It did give me some crackle right up in there and there and there. But when I put this piece of paper on, it crackled more. It works on wood, but it didn't crackle as much as I wanted it to. Paint around this. And then I'll come back and show y'all what I made. See, I'm taking a little bit of gold wash and putting it over this. And then I'm going to wipe it. You can see the crackle. You see the crackle? See, that's a little crackle. But I noticed it worked better when I put the paper down. So it crackled over here too. I didn't get no crackles right up in there. I got a little crackle here. And the only thing I did was dab it. So let me wipe this off and then you can see the crackles a little better. Alright, y'all. So I just created a pendant. It's going to be a little pendant. I'll make a necklace. Might do a giveaway. I don't know. But I'm going to put a cute little thing right there. And you can just put a necklace on it. It did make some bigger cracks. You can see the cracks. But I literally just dabbed it on. I didn't use a brush, which it says on. If y'all could read that, it say apply a top coat to create age, weather effect, cure time 4 weeks, do not shake. Roll bottle on table to mix, apply with brush, apply an even coat in one direction. I did try this on this. I tried it on this side, if y'all can see. I didn't get any cracks, but I know I overbrushed it. So I thought it would be cute if I had little cracks. I did it and put the stuff down and waited. I ain't see no cracks, but I ended up painting some gold because I wanted like that gold looking crack around it. But I didn't get anything. It didn't crack for me, just literally on a straight wood. But I'm going to try again. I'm going to dab it next time and see what it works. Because I have tried Crackle. And it worked really good. I can't remember what brand that was. I tried it, but it cracked. It just cracked a little more when I put the paper down. It cracked over here without the paper. It gave big cracks. So it cracked. It's a cool little design I quickly made. This Podge Crackle out. The link is in the description box. And 15% off. Use Khadijah 123. So I'm going to try it again and just do the dabbing method all over something. It'll all work out. It's a cool little, I guess, little abstract design. And I just painted that. And I'm going to let it dry. Say it take a minute to cure. So I'm just going to let it dry for a couple of weeks. And then I'll go back in and do some more stuff to it. But one thing I can say, I like the way this little glossy shine is on it. I'll show y'all this in a future video once it's done. But yeah, it does crack. But it cracked a little more over here when I put a piece of paper down. I just put it down and I dabbed some on top of it. And y'all see how I painted around it a little bit just to give it a design. It's cute. Alright, y'all. Don't forget to pick up litter in your community. Respect those that respect you. Leave a beautiful comment. Adopt a pet from your local rescue or shelter. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Salam, salam.